So I've had the Wrangler for about, I don't know, what, 2 weeks now. And this black interior just, I don't know if you can see it, but that's getting in and out of my vehicle twice just because of what's on the ground here. This black interior just picks up everything. So I had to go buy some floor mats. I wanted the the high dollar ones that go all the way up, and I'm going to get them, but I couldn't pass these up for what I paid, 25 bucks. I guess I just had to trim them to get them to fit, but it's got driver, passenger, and the back one here, so get these trimmed up and installed. The Jeep measures 15 inches on the driver's side, and that is exactly the width of these. I hope they work. Oh, that's all wasting my money. I think we should be alright. We'll see. I'd say that's a pretty good fit. All I did was trim the outside of the floor mat all the way up to the curves here. When they started curving, I left the rest in there. And this gives me a little sidewall protection for whenever my foot's pressing on the gas tank there, gas pedal. Not bad for 25 bucks. Thanks for watching.